if you're looking for a way to cash out your Tapswap coin to Binance or Ton Wallet or any other crypto address, here's what we need to do. We're going to start now to open our Tapswap app. There are two places we can expect to have the option to transfer to Binance, Ton Wallet, or any other crypto exchange. First option is under Task, where you can have the option to connect your Tapswap to another wallet. And the other option is to click on Boost, where you can actually have some boosters, and the option will be to transfer our Tapswap coins to another crypto exchange. Before, we had it under Task, where we could connect it through Solana. However, because they actually want to make it more accessible, so you can no longer transfer through Solana or any other option. You have to accumulate as many coins as possible, follow all the boosts and the tasks, and then keep on the watch, because soon we're expected to have a Tapswap option to transfer to Binance or Ton Wallet or any other crypto exchange. So we could keep checking our tasks and boosts to find a way to transfer it. Whenever it comes, it's simply going to be here and we can connect it to our wallet. So this is what you need to know if you'd like to cash out your Tapswap coin. You just have to wait and keep earning and keep tapping until Tapswap is ready to make the option available to everyone.